Yes, hello everyone, welcome to next informative video tutorial. Now for this episode, I will be showing you how to install this HP printer on your laptop. Now as for this HP, it is a DeskJet Ink Advantage 2775 all-in-one printer. So that is the printer right there. So I'm just going to install it on this laptop. Now this laptop is actually for a customer, so there's no CD that comes with it to install the printer. So first thing you need to do is to actually power up the printer. I would have already done that. So here you go, this is the power cable. I already turned it on. And then of course this USB cable that goes to the laptop. Once you have done that, then you just simply need to go to Google or Google the software. Now I'm actually on the HP website. So guys, what you're seeing now, the HP Smart software is now downloading. So in terms of how you install this HP Ink Advantage 2775, you just simply need to go on the HP website. And once you go on the website, then you would basically enter the model number. So that's what I would have basically done. So let's go back. So let's go on the HP website. Right, so in the description section of the video, I'll be definitely giving you the link as to where to go. So here, this is where you enter your product number or the model number. So this one is, it is a 2775. So the HP DeskJet Ink Advantage, that's the 2775. Click on it. Then you will click next. Then once you click next, then you will actually click the install HP Smart. Once you click install HP Smart, then the process will actually start. So mine is complete. It is saying that product is installed. So launching the HP Smart there. So welcome to HP Smart. So setting up a new printer, that's what I would have just clicked on, set up new printer. So it is now detecting the printer now. Let's just bring this camera a bit closer for you. So it seems to set up now. It is now saying paper problem. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some paper in this printer. Right, so I would have just put some papers in the printer right there. As you can see, so papers right there. Let's go back and see what the laptop here is saying. Right, it is saying ready. That simply means it is now ready to print. Now let's go and do a test printing. Right, so here you see it is now responding. But I'm just saying a document. Right, responding. Perfect. So as you can see, guys, actually print. So again, this is how you set up your HP DeskJet 2775 series. I would have just used the HP Smart software. So in the description section, our website I should say, so in the description section of the video, we'll be definitely posting the link exactly where you can go to get this printer installed on your laptop. So once again, guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button, leave your comments in the comment section of the video, and of course share the video. So once again, guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.